evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask you that you please step out of the aisle so the passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite our boarding process. Your large carry-on items need to go.
Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. All right, so I'm getting ready to leave to go on vacation with my family. And so I wanted to take you guys along to show you guys how I do it, how we keep it productive, how we just keep it going, be good stewards of our time, be good stewards of our packing, and get all the things done. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't do the actual physical, like taking the things from where they are and then packing them. You know, I don't do that physicalness of it because my husband is more so of the like packer. Like he can see it, he can see all the things and then make them fit all together. You know what I mean? Like he can pack it well. So we leave that up to him. But what I do is I pretty much collect everything, put it in one central location so he can get the big picture, see what it looks like, and get it done. As well as some other things, you know, I want to get my nails done. I love getting braids to go on vacation because that's one less maintenance thing that I have to do for myself. All right, so we are a little less than a week out from the trip, and to me this is the perfect time to pack because then I'm avoiding packing last minute and also making sure that I don't have to wash anything last minute, which has happened to me so much in the past, and I'm like, I'm not gonna make that mistake again. So I definitely recommend setting aside clothes a week in advance, even if you're not fully packing, but taking it and just setting it aside because there's nothing more annoying than washing clothes the night before a trip. I'm just saying. All right, so the plan is to get all this stuff to fit in one big check bag using these packing pods. Hopefully hubby can do it. So we are going to have them wear their sneakers on the plane. These are just dressy shoes for church. And then we've got some flip-flops over here for pool time. I capsule wardrobed the trip, so I'm staying in places with washer and dryer. So I've only brung about maybe four days worth of clothes, not including the clothes that they're wearing for this 7-day trip. So I will need to do one wash, and yeah, hopefully we can do it. All right, so we didn't make it. But so this is one of our check bags, and this is our other check bag, and then this is our carry-on. Like you can tell you're a homeschool mom when you're just bringing all the books. Just all the books are in here, and then obviously candy and like activities, all the activities packed in one, sunglasses, hats, packed in one check bag. So everybody's not gonna have a check bag, everybody's gonna have a fanny pack, and we'll have one check bag where I can divvy up water, activities, and all the things. So we are preparing to leave in the morning. And okay, so we are preparing to leave in the morning. And one of the things that I made sure to do was, since we're leaving so early in the morning, I have the little ones, all of them, sleeping in their sweats and t-shirts so that they're ready to go in the morning, so that all we have to do is just put on shoes, get in the car, and drive to the airport, as well as snap on fanny packs. I'll show you guys what I have in the fanny packs. So every pouch has some gum, a maze thing. What else is in your pouch? Notebooks, little notebooks from the dollar store. Fun pens, and they all smell good. Did you guys smell your notebooks?
Wait, what?
Mechanical pencils so that they can write.
Ew.
Yeah, they all have different smells. All right, what else is in your pouch?
No, this one smells like just like a bubble gum.
Yeah, that's just a regular notebook. What else is in your pouch?
And my MP3 player.
Let me see it.
Sorry.
And then their MP3 players, which has their audiobooks.
I forgot how to.
All right, so what you rocking right now?
My fanny pack.
Glittery pink fanny pack.
And it can turn into gold.
Oh, stylish.
And mine can swim.
Oh, baby shark. Wow.
And this
Sean?
And this is sealess.
Yeah, that's what say. Sean, let me see your fanny pack.
It's just black.
Is it cooler when it's across the chest?
It's just black, no attack.
Hey, Mama. Good morning.
Is that just me?
Is it too early, Sean? All right, so it is Tuesday morning, and we are headed to the airport. And you excited? You excited?
I got my fan.
We're headed to the airport. We are going on a trip in a special rocket ship flying through the sky. Little Einstein. So it's gonna be a long day. They've been up since what time? 3 a.m. They've been up since 3 a.m. So it's gonna be a day filled with talking. We're gonna navigate the airport. All right, so my son's gonna start off making the first pancake.
Spray the whole thing. A light spray.
Wait, Mama.
A little too cold. Are you shaking? Okay.
It's a video. Love you. And it's a bar.
Why can't we go in the bar?
They sell alcohol or not for kids. All right, go ahead, Sean.
Yeah, let's go. Try and get the guitar.
Go.
This one.
You wanted the mic.
I think it's gonna be a Tennessee. It's gonna be a Tennessee.
Oh, I got this. Let's see, go.
Does it come out?
Fast.
All right, what is it? Oh, show me.
It's mine. I want this one.
Good job.
Okay, and I'll get this.
All right, so we just got to the first of 3 places that we are staying on this vacation, and I wish I would have shown you before I let the kids in. So I'll do a quick messy house tour, but this house is really not going to work for us. I'm so disappointed. It's got too many stairs, and we've got too many little ones, and my daughter has an autoimmune disease, and just the up and down the stairs is just not great for her legs. So thankfully we'll only be here for a few nights before transitioning, but the anxiety of being, I don't know how you people with stairs do it, because the anxiety of like, oh my gosh, don't fall down the stairs is a lot. But anyway, so we just got in, we went grocery shopping and just got a bunch of groceries. That's a tip for saving money, is to stay at a place with a kitchen and buy some groceries. So right now I have a pizza going under the oven, and I'm gonna get the kids showered, and they're just gonna do pizza, ice cream, and watch a movie because we're on vacation. Do you hear them running up and down the stairs? And the other thing is, yes guys, even on vacation, I'm preparing for tomorrow. So I'm taking out their clothes and setting everything up for tomorrow. So that way it's just one less thing that we have to worry about. So that when it's time for us to get up and leave or get up for the day, everyone can get dressed, have breakfast, and then we can be out. So that's what we're up to. So thankfully, the way my husband packed is everyone has their own like little bag. So this is for the baby girl. This is my bag. This is my son's bag. This is my daughter's bag. And this is my other son's bag. So everybody has their own little bag. So I can quickly go in, pull out pajamas, pull out clothes for the next day, close it back up, and everything's still all together. All right, so since we're not going to be utilizing this room anyways, I just laid out their clothes here for them to get dressed. And yes, I did it on purpose. I laid out all their clothes and they match. That's right. Because I am that mom. My husband hates it. And my kids don't really care too much for it. But you know what? I do, all right? And vacations with your children are not really vacations for you. So let me get some joy, all right? And this brings me joy.
The cars we bought.
You like your cars?
Yes. Wait, I want. These are the cars I want.
You excited to open them?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna be opening them after your bath.
Oh, but like baths.
But do you like cars?
Yeah.
All right, so you gotta take that bath so you can open your cars.